Kanskje det er ål? Ja, fin øre. Oi, se der, det er faen kilosør. Ja, han er ikke et kilo, han er halv kilo. Det er fantastisk. Yes, so here we are at Norway again. We are on another place with my father and my brother. My brother is a son of a bitch. No, he's a very cute guy.
Fucking asshole.
Say hello. Ah, very nice. Beautiful.
Nice trout here.
Yeah, first, when I came, they got fish. Okay, over and out. Yes, we have here the baking oven is fixed. Set up the Gstove again by the water. Here is my brother. Say hello to YouTube.
Searching for extraterrestrials.
And here my father is looking for firewood. Yes, very nice. We will get the fire going. Back here we got the oven going, and it was one match, and I got the fire going. Here's the baker oven, smoking very well here at the Norway water. And my father wants to say something. Hello, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yes.
Coffee with milk.
With milk.
Hello, hello, how are you? Great.
He's from another planet.
Yes,
Yes.
you're from Mars.
So it's going very well here. So we have gotten one fish.
One nice fish, trout.
Maybe we get more. So we're going to cook a little bit of fish. A little bit. Yes. The stove functioning and everything is cooking, and the bowl, the fire is going inside. My brother is sitting here watching the lake. My father is taking a cup of coffee.
Yes, cheers.
Yes, I'm going to take a cup of coffee myself. I'm going to grill some garlic bread and fry some sausages, and also the water is on the oven, so we can have water, warm water. Okay, thank you. So here we are frying some sausages on the Gstove.
And now ready to eat it?
Yes, he's always ready to eat it.
And swallow it whole.
And here it's it's not standing straight, but it's going okay. It's like the Skabetorn in Pisa, the tower in Pisa. My father is taking a smoke.
Cooking.
The
The water.
Yeah, the water is cooked.
the water is cooking and the sausage is cooking. He'll be back for more.
So make also.
Yes, we can make soup of the water.
So we'll have a
Soon
salt.
there will come some
So-
chips from down from
The sausages are complaining over
Steal it.
he's eating.
It's very tasty.
He eats. And we have put the garlic bread inside the oven. We are testing now. Very nice. Father is making a
Right there, man.
fly rope. They want to fish with flies. I've got the one fish.
Maybe catch a big salmon. It's many salmons. Oh, here's not come in.
Yes,
Here's some help.
he's already got 6 salmons. This year. So I think this is an old crater from old volcano.
I wonder.
I have no evidence about it, but
Yeah.
yes, you will go back. So here the sausages are soon finished. I'll use some of the warm water on the noodles here, and Here the bread, garlic bread, is coming along fine. Yes, I think it's finished. So I will take it out. Very nice. We're going to eat soon.
Looks ready to be eaten.
Yes.
It's very tasty.
My father is fishing with fly here. It's very nice. The wind has calmed down a little bit. Yes. So the food is finished. A little bit burnt, but it's okay. Noodles with sausages and garlic bread and some potato salad. Bon appetit. So now we have eaten and everybody is very happy. And I'm going to show you my new saw. So I'm just going to let this burn out and we're going to pack it together. And yes, my brother don't think my English is very good.
English is very good.
Pack it together.
Best English.
Yes. So we are kind of on a little bit of a mollo here. So we're going to take a break and be back later. So another charcoal fire here. I'm just going to wash up here and yeah, let it cool down. No fish on my rod.
Ja, men det er jo 130 grader inni der.
Ja, nice.
Å, fy faen.
Ja, det bakte bra. So the baker oven has functioned well to make the garlic bread. And everybody is happy.
Full.
Yes, it's full.
Yes, I'm eating 100 kilo sausage, yes.
Soon the salmon will maybe arrive.
Yes,
Jump a little here.
let's hope so.
And the trouts will come up. If not, there is something.
Here is the Knott Valley, Black Fly Valley. Oh, it's messed up. So there is something laying in the water out here. So it's to the left of this pole here. There. It looks like a dupp. Yes, it is. And it seems it's stuck in something. Pappa, det är rätt, det är en fluedobbe.
Kan du så ligge der?
Ja.
Ja, det er. Den er en dobb.
So it's a dub stuck in a branch or something. Yeah. So on the other hill here there are some huts here. Let's see. Very nice huts.
Jeg prøver å fiske den og finne hvor han ligger.
Ja.
Kanskje jeg setter meg fast.
Over here is the Stainswater.
Jeg så han der. ser han.
Han er rett ut.
Vi første fot. Få oss en par tørrrøtter til middag.
So yes, we made a campfire here. It's like 11:40, 10 past half 12, and we are pulling down the oven. Demolishing the oven, and it's very still on the water. Father's fishing with fly. I haven't had one single nap.
Ja, men det var en fin fisk oppe. Jeg så han ute i gråen.
Okay,
Han var bare oppe sånn her.
I think he's trying to fish the dub out here.
Nå begynner han. Jeg prøver å se ut i gråen. Jeg var oppe sånn der. Kjempeflott fisk.
Well, I can't see it anymore. There it is. Okay. It's just over here it is. So he was trying to fish it to the land, but got stuck. Worked out very well this time too. The Gstove. People enjoying the waters. God aften.
Det var en campingplass akkurat imot Luksøysveien.
Ja.
Kjører ned.
Ja.
Det er flere typer fiske der i strekningen. Og samme der på når du kommer ut fra Voksnes, og så er det en gammel kirkegård.
Ja. Ja,
Og så
der.
de strekker der. Og
Ja.
du ser bestandig sånne siland og greier som er og
Ja da, ja.
patruljere der. Det er
Yes, so we are now packing and leaving. We have half an hour. We got one fish. My father got one. I didn't have any nap. Yes, just going to pack the last, and just we're going to sign off. Thank you.